Now, the term brown bess is its actual origins are a bit disputed. The best I could come up with was that it was slang for a mistress or a prostitute, and that came from a curator of a Royal Arms Museum. So, I think his opinion is about as good as anyone else's on the matter. Can't remember his name off the top of my head. I have my notes right the here. Jonathan Ferguson. The Type 2, which was produced from 1855 to 18... Mother... Did I even put any pauses in there for me to edit? I don't think that I did. God, no, let's just start this over again. Cut here, start all the over again. Okay. What is a Birmingham model? It's by is that, they varied consistently in quality. They very